Can you tell us about a time when you solved a difficult problem? Here are two tips. Tip number one, describe the specific problem you faced, including the context and any obstacles you encountered. Tip number two, highlight the steps you took to solve the problem, emphasizing your critical thinking and problem solving skills. Here is our top scoring answer to this question. Can you tell us about a time when you solved a difficult problem? As a marketing manager for a startup, we faced a difficult problem when our budget was slashed unexpectedly, leaving us with limited funds to execute our marketing strategy. In response, I evaluated our current approach and identified areas where we could optimize our spending. I worked with our creative team to develop a targeted social media campaign that emphasized our unique value proposition while reducing our reliance on expensive PPC ads. Additionally, I leveraged my network to secure strategic partnerships with complementary brands to expand our reach. These efforts resulted in a 40% reduction in marketing spending while maintaining our conversion rate, allowing us to weather the budget cuts and continue to drive growth for the company. This experience demonstrated my ability to think creatively, problem solve under pressure, and collaborate cross-functionally to achieve business objectives. That is another great answer that is going to help you beat the competition. Now, just very quickly, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so that we can help you and other candidates pass your interview on the first attempt. We can only help you if you support the channel, so please give the video a thumbs up because it motivates us to keep creating content for you. So, the next thing I want you to do is click on the link in the top right corner of this video and head straight to MegaInterview.com, and you can find more than 10,000 free job interview questions and answers for any job position you're looking for. You will also find more information about writing a resume and cover letter, but also job search advice and career advancement tips that will put you ahead of the competition. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can help you and other candidates pass their job interviews, and do not forget to like the video. By liking the video, you let us know that you like the interview questions and answers given, and it also motivates us to create more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with passing your next job interview.